We'll be showing you how to charge the EQS vehicle for free by using Mercedes subscription. So all you have to do once you are at the Electrify America, what you do is you plug in the port first. You go over here to the infotainment system, click on navigation. You will see on the top right, it's a little plug-in logo. You click that, and whichever charging place you're at, you want to click that one. So this one is 50 feet. And keep in mind the kilowatts. You always want at least 100 kilowatts and above. So click the 150. So right now we are at charging number 3. So what you do is after you click that, scroll up and you'll see the charging ports. So in this case scenario, we want to click number 3. So in this case, you would just click this and start. But before you click start, make sure the plug is already in the vehicle.